about this right now. A
All
joke.
right, the
real
people here ask.
A real joke, that man.
But I'm asking if you are the front runner. You're saying front runner for them isn't even good enough. You are so big that you
it's
can't
not even say so big. Me not try say means this big person. Wait. But watch out. Yeah, call someone name to me with able to dip on the scene. So I say.
A few moments later.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
I don't know one Media Fox pan happy now. So look at now people. You know have to tune into that video, yeah. Yeah man. You see what going in a Barclays Center Saturday night. Don't feel like say it's just a regular thing going, you know. It's a prophecy going, you know, people. Me I tell you that, you know. You understand? It's a prophecy going. Alkaline, the youngest. Fear do this. Yo, the show was, magnificent. Yo, if you see the youth alone dominate him show. And the crowd there, the same youth with them say fall off. And the artists them with them say a hot a bun up the place. Them now do them impactful thing, yeah. But people, we see Chris Genius run out. And you have to big him up for that video, yeah. Because him pull up something and yeah, him go and good in that video. You see me all a couple times say something. But yeah, him give the show a good review and yeah. But people, there's a lot of things about that show, yeah. What people didn't even realize. You understand? Yo, Alkaline, big up yourself. You understand? But people, we're going to a video.
Yeah. Bro, let me start off this by round of applause, man. Round of applause. Alkaline, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Alkaline. Big up yourself. Me like Wagwan. Me love Wagwan. People, Alkaline now joins the list, the very, very short list of the solo headliners as like dancehall artists with a headline, a show in at the Barclays Center. The list is so short where I think I just 4 artists. Yeah. First you have Buju, then you have Vibes Cartel, then you have Bounty Killer, and now Alkaline. So big up yourself, Alkaline.
I never see Buju flyer. I know say Alkaline do the solo one recently. And I know say Cartel do that. The Bounty now, I'm not sure because them the end up them never use Bounty Killer fully though, cause them put up Bounty, then them add Movado, Idonia, Massacre. So I'm not sure if that really actually a solo show. You see me? It's like them put up Bounty picture and then like 2 days or 4 days after or something like so. Them add on something there. You see me? So I'm sure about Cartel, cause Cartel alone, you see me? Based on them use theme thing, same like Alkaline, the same thing. You see me, them never put no other artist on the flyer or promote no other artist with it. But Bounty one, them the other and the Movado and the Idonia and the Massacre. You understand? So I'm not sure if that are really solo still. Is it? Yeah.
And guess what? Wanna guess what? Alkaline is the youngest of them all. Alkaline is the youngest artist, youngest dancehall artist. The headline a show in at the Barclays Center and sold it out.
Yeah man, congratulations. I'm have to big up the Vendetta people them. Me have to big up because on a show what you want to even know, the Vendetta people them, big up on yourself. You see the support we have for Alkaline is magnificent. It's very magnificent. Me I tell you that. If you see how them try fight the youth and if you see understand with the youth and always make him a kick down barriers and a create history. You understand? The youngest dancehall artist for sell out Barclays solo. The youth boss where there 2013 him get him little break. You understand? 2013 and the youth have such a huge catalog in a short space of time. The youth have him own show keep across the world, new rules, same new rules in a Barclays Center. And for see the youth ram out the arena so The same artists where them say fall off. How comes the fall off artists? I make them big historical move yeah. But the artists them what them say hotter than Alkaline and I drop the bag of hits. How them not doing what Alkaline doing? Because me know say Alkaline sing some of them new recent songs them in a Barclays Center. Disgusting and no emotions. And key man. You understand? So I always him old song them in my use. And earn your way. And the people them a sing. You understand? So me no know boy the fall off thing and I better everyone fall off artists and sell out Barclays right now cause rather than be hot artists and you not sell out no way or create no history. You understand?
Big up yourself again. But guess what? You say before I go any further, click the like button for me there, please. Click the like button for me, please, before I go any further. You understand? Because I don't know, say, we there, so we can review, well, not the full show, but I'm going to give my 2 cents on it. We're going to play some clips, and I don't know how we do this already. You get to me, I say, but click the like button. Click the like button. I mean, no, say, I'm not the first you followed over here. Yeah, man, you see him, man. You followed over here already, and you watch more than 1 videos, but you're not subscribed. Why aren't you? Check and see if you're subscribed. Check and see. Anyways, for the past weeks, or even say months, because I don't know, say, them done announce this from last year. Okay, so like leading up to the show, I see a bag of people are forward out, bro, and they say, yo, the show I go flop and the ticket they not sell and this and that and what the promoter do, the promoter this and the promoter that.
Yo, let me tell you this. It don't even be nothing. Yo, people, this is not nothing new when it comes to Alkaline creating history. This come like in a 2017 people. It was the same thing. I see the crowd of the people where the youth pull out a stadium. History, yo, people, them separate, them couldn't believe what the youth do. Them not understand. Alkaline is you see the more you eat him, go on eat him, man, go on eat. You see the more you eat Alkaline, and more him show up the industry, and more him show up the haters. You understand? You see the hating away give the youth energy. Remember, man tell us the pain and the fight, you understand? Turns into somebody where him love. So go on hate him. And more, him gonna do great things. You understand? Because I saw it go. Them always are gonna say bad things about the youth. But the youth keep on creating history and setting barriers and make them look bad. You understand? A years now them a do it. 13 years now them a do it. You understand? And if you see the youth, the people, remember say, Alkaline have gone 2 decades in a game, you know. This a man do social media like this. This a man to he not let nobody face or you see me like the man just in a different world. And if you see all the people them forward out for see Alkaline. And if you see youth rock Barclays so. And I not normal that. The youth a make big moves before him time. You understand? At such a young age. The youth a do it. Him not use no clout or nothing. Like, yo, the youth energy, yo, people. For big up Alkaline for the work we put in over the years. And him Vendetta and him fans them. We are support him and shame the haters them. You see it?
Bro, you see the promoter? The promoter is a business personal. The promoter pre money and business. And also the promoter love dancehall and reggae music. So that's the next thing we need for pre, bro. And you see it? So for all of the people them know where they that forward out and they say the tickets them not sell and even depend when name ticket master, the ticket website are going to bombardos a show he white this year, he blue that the color, bro. Come on. Like I've never seen this yet. I've never ever seen this before, bro. And a long time with the inner this. I've never seen this yet. I've never seen people take the time out to go up on these websites to go look if a man ticket a sell or not. And if pull up bombardos seating and color this, color that they color them in this. Bro, come on, like seriously?
People, I saw you know, say, you see what going on at Barclays and the energy building up to the show? You show say the hate is real for the youth. I'm glad say Christina's put on a point there. Because look here now, nobody never know about this arena and tickets. People, the amount of people pull up Alkaline ticket for check if it a sell. Them never yet put up no other artists. You understand? All local tell Barclays are Beanie or all of them artists there. The man them pull up Alkaline ticket and check it if it sell half. The man them say, nah sell, what this? Yo, Them not even know, say, brother, them more on hate the youth. And more on the real say I promote the youth. Eh? People are here say, yo, I say him now sell off in ticket and very. People are going to say, hey, you know, go on. Cause on fee, you know, I realize say, you think at Jamaica alone, Vendetta fans them there? Are all the Alkaline fans them there? The people them out there in the world will love music and I love the politics and the bring down them rate Alkaline. And them same one come support him in a Barclays Center. You understand? So you can feel like say, in a little dancers beat, you can fight down the youth and feel like say that can bring him down. And years you not do it now. And see the youth come create history in a Barclays Center. You understand? If you look a young youth, him just got what, 13 years. I remember enough of them never did that do it. You understand? 10 years after their career, after they get the break, they never did that do this. You understand? I remember this, people. Barclays Center built 2012, And Alkaline bus about 2013, Remember that, people. You see it? So that would have be what? 8, 6, 14 years now. Yeah. Since Barclays Center bill. Seeing? Look here, people. 14 years on Barclays Center bill. And 13 years since Alkaline getting break. You see me? For sure, you. The youth are putting in the work for you to do this. Because the industry full enough of them artists, make them feel like them are the biggest thing. But them nah pull no crowd, them nah do them something because the internet, the industry hype them up, yo, you're the baddest thing, you do this. But when them go out there in the world, it's a different reaction. You understand?
Eh? How you feel now? All of the people that did that do that, we been and do that. How you feel? Like really and truly, big man thing. How you feel? When I say the you will put you to shame, bro. Jaja, you must feel a way still, Anyways, that. You see me? So
yeah, man, Alkaline always a put them to shame, man. Me I tell you that, people. Alkaline always a put them people to shame. It's like, imagine a youth when I do social media like that are found out and all of them look at things they're saying. You wonder how them hate the youth, so. You know, see the youth in the media, all of them look at something there. And as him pop up out of nowhere, a bag of hate. I see the youth father Jamaican do something for him album and all of them look at thing there. And people, Alkaline drop him album, go buy and stream it, iTunes, Amazon, all of them look at thing there. I think it go number 1 on the iTunes chart. You understand? Tough piece of album, people. Me I tell you, tough. So go buy and stream it. Remember that. See? But the hate and the fight, I will make the artists the way I'm there right now. Because him use music and conquer them. And that the youth use. He never use on social media come crash out on a ball. And music him use and conquer the world. You understand? And see there, the youngest to soul out Barclays Center. So them can go on. This a youth here climb ladders. That me I tell you.
go praise some of the clips now. See the entrance here. Look on light, man. Look on people. Look at people. Look at people.
Yo, people. Yo, you see that thing there when him say new rules and already and you see the face, the Vendetta mask face pop out. Yo, that tough dog. It tough, brother. I tell you that tough people. That tough. You see me? That Vendetta mask when him say new rules and already, I just see the mask look out. That tough. You see me? Well, listen what I go on.
People. Look at, watch it.
Yo,
look
people, you know, say, people, no, them a look for Alkaline and I know where am I go pop up from, you know. Them think of the side of the stage, them think of, them a look for him, cause them a say, yo, when them can't see him. Yo, that entrance there, the reason why I rate it is because nobody never know where am I forward from. Them a turn them face, look.
Look on people, look at that. Look on light.
Yo, come like man does appear like a magician to bombard me and tell the people. But people, you know this video clip that you're watching, you know this is Onstage, right? You know say this video, right, by Onstage TV, Winford Williams, right? You know say you saw live stay people. You know say the same with Winford Williams. set up all of the things them we are going with Alkaline. The question them we ma ask and all of them things there. Remember that little saga them man with Vice Cartel and he ma try force the youth to try bow down to the artist. But look at 13 years after now. Look who have video the giant. Look who have video the giant. Onstage TV. The same one we set up the youth. You understand? The youth just want forward and do music and show him talent. But the same Onstage did a video, the history moment. That's why I tell you, don't watch the haters. Put in the work, make the work speak for you. You understand? Make the work speak for you. And if you see the Onstage TV a video, the historical moment. You understand? It's a great look for the artist. You see me? The artist put in the work. You see me? I have a big up the Vendetta people. They move forward out with the phone lights, everything. Loud people, me I tell you that. You see me? Yeah, man.
Yo, the entrance are bad. The entrance are bad.
People, I see a little thing I go on in the media. I don't know. It's like them people are so obsessed with Alkaline. I've compared Alkaline with Vice Cartel. I don't know how them do it. Everything the youth do. See? So you know the stage entrance with Alkaline do, right? The stage entrance when him forward up from the floor. But it's like him stoop like you see me have him head down with the mic and him sing the songs in. So Vice Cartel do a see him something like that. But look here now, I think him the stand up. You see me? And it does bring him up. But this are the thing. The man them say Alkaline a follow Cartel. Bro, that entrance done by thousands of artists, bro. That same entrance that Michael Jackson, the amount of artists will do that, brother. Even over China, when you want to sing Rock from Gundam Style, all him say do that. That brother they were sing this the Gundam size song. Brother, a world entry stage thing that, brother. You see me? Alkaline just bring something new in at the Barclays. You see it with the stage. And it's surprising because people are looking and know where am I there. It's a good entrance that I don't know why the man them compare the thing with Vice Cartel thing, brother. You see me? And the Vice Cartel intent, that been a go on. Me see that too much time before Cartel do that, bro. You understand? I don't know wrong with them man, brother. Them love like everything what Cartel doing, them try for copyright it and all of them little thing there. A good entrance. You see it? And the two artists them do them thing differently. You see me? Different thing. So I don't know why the comparison and all of them little thing there. You see it? Yeah man, I don't know why the comparison, bro. I don't know why the comparison. But as me say, great look for dancehall. For what the artists them do. You see me? Yeah man.
Yo, the G jacket bad still, you know. Yo, the man jacket bad. Bad.
Yeah man, the jacket tough man. I think a Alkaline jacket, you know. You see me with the Alkaline at the back, orange, like a black stripe, and I think it have New York City in at the back as well. You understand? It tough, brother. Alkaline fashion, brother. Me I tell you the man. Me don't know where man go do shop now, but them man they think just different when the man come. Brother, them man they fashion and normal, bro. Remember in a Givenchy, man did a mal for one time in a Givenchy brand, you know, clothes brand, you know. Brother, I come like them man they shop some place, bro. Me don't know them man they, yo, when them man they are shopping, brother, them clothes there, thing na normal, bro. You see me? Yeah man, bar suit tough, man. You see me? Vendetta girls them I go crazy for your outfit.
Yo, me nah lie. You fit bad, you fit bad, you fit bad. You fit calm and it bad. Bad. If you walk with the family, you can't remember me. We don't sell out, we can't sell out. Nothing to eat, you want to be my brother, then you have to breathe me.
Yo, you see when that song ya drop? You not go see? Yo, it lift up Barclays, me I tell you. It lift up Barclays. After all, that was a wait pan a call. 4 rifle in up on a war. On my car. Drive up, pull up on foot. Boy spread out on same time. Yeah, that a roll like that. Yo, that song there, anthem for Jamaica. But look at it, I go lift up Barclays.
Yeah. How buckler up there? Boy, I'm saying yeah, better road like dog. Only a war, you a war, only a couple dog, we bust in the head for me.
Yo, watch it. Mama print up your for Alkaline for winning Just Bus. Whole Alkaline face on the shirt, they say, you know. Me I tell you, people. You see it? I see there. Alkaline face on her shirt, they say, yo, mama happy if you see her artist are dominate, you know. Yo, it was a Vendetta moment. The people them come out in a them shirt, them this, them that, with Alkaline picture. I see all one girl do one digital thing in her back of her shirt with Vendetta go crack. Yo, the Vendetta people them make some design there. With Alkaline on his shirt, print everything. Yo, that are true fans, you know. Yo, me nah lie, the Vendetta people them different. Me I tell you them different. When it comes to the artists, I don't know. Nah man, me I tell you that people.
Let us say love, let us say loyalty. Nah, say love, we can't say love. Buckler. Yo, people are but yo, that song you bad, you know. People are music love, you know. Let me tell you something. Only can't say what you want to say. That song you bad. You have to free me. This are the car. We friend them wild no blood clot, them I no love talk. And yo, but just I realized, you know, Lord Cleabers, the dog have a picture on New York City on the back of him jacket. You see what go on, you see what take place? Yo, but just I realized the dog have the city on him back. Nah man, the man try yo, bumbo Cleabers.
We are lucky city. Oh, I'm here, dog. Yo, dog. Yo, Alkaline a real prophet, brother. Man, yo, if you listen man them city song, key man, brother, listen man say, yo, me I tell the people that youth are great. That youth are great. You see me? I just if most artists them just look on the blueprint, enough of them would have reached far. You understand? People, from 2013, you know how much artists drop off a farm? You know how much artists drop off a farm, people? The last time I check, I must in close to 50 artists bus since 2013. And you hardly can count out of 40 odd artists right now. Alkaline are only young artists in the dancehall since 2013 when in bus. Where we see, yo, I do some big moves, like I draw them big crowd yeah, by himself. The youth, great. These are the same youth to them say fall off, people. I saw the industry work. The industry when them can't get for control and them look a thing there. And you're not friend with them. You understand? Them say you fall off and this and that. The industry just trap you in one box. And say, yeah man, I'm an artist, I might do this and that. And once that run out, the industry just put you one side and look for somebody else with just a forward. That's what the industry do. You understand? Alkaline is the blueprint. Them just don't want people see what I go on. Them don't want highlight certain things so other youths can come do them thing. Yeah. You understand? Because so want the dancehall space to move. You see it? Yeah man, can look there. Youngest youth to do this. The youth not gone 2 decades yet. Him not gone 2 decades yet. So imagine when him gone 2 decades, youth are gonna do more greater things. You understand? For him at the age of 32 and him do them something here plus a way the youth bus over a decade. And a mash up place and I keep down barriers. Yo, John, I don't know say this a youth a fall off. It better be one fall off, yeah, man, and sell out Barclays Center.
Alkaline basically I say, yo, the city a fee, me have the city on him back. He make a statement. People, Alkaline make a statement. Right back out. Fast. Papa sent off. Let us say love, let us say loyalty. But I'm going to big up Onstage TV for that footage there. One reason, I think it take boy. I think it take boy if you do what Alkaline do, yes, so. I think it take boy if you do what the youth do. Bro, if you full up an arena like the Barclays Center, if you full up the arena there as an unsigned artist, I think it take boy if you do that. It not take boy if you do that, and let me tell you something. We have to give the youth in flowers.
Yo, if they not give him flowers now, see, if them no give him flowers now, them I want give him money too late. Remember me tell you that. You see what Alkaline doing in Barclays, people? It open a can of worm. Remember me tell you that. It open a can of worm. It show you say, the man where they say fall off nah do nothing this. He nah drop no bag of hits. And he nah do that and ray and ray and ray. Are the same youth a sell out arena? Eh? No the man, no the artist them where drop a bag of hits them for a sell out arena. Eh? This a youth and a use social media. He not do this, he no drama, he not them a something here. And fi see people forward out. Fi see Alkaline. It really a show up in industry now. This open a can of worm. Because the artists them what they say are running place and this and that. See? Them nah do this. The artists them what they must say consistent with hits and then look at something there. Eh? Them nah do them thing. So I trick the people them then. I really trick. Cause if them a say man the youth fall off. And the youth a sell out Barclays Center. Not in a Jamaica. We are talking about in a foreign country. Right? Where none of the artists them were even there before Alkaline nah do this. You understand? None of them were there before Alkaline nah do this. And if you see the youth a do this by himself, we have to look into this consideration about this situation because there's no way this youth with them say fall off in 2016. I do this. I remember say he must sing new song and old song. And the people they must sing it. But the artists they want to say consistent and a drop hits pan top of hits. Oh, them nah do this, them nah create no history, them nah do them something here. The big crowd, everything arena, what happened? Eh? Because I show this showing up now, you know. I show this showing up. You understand?
Bro, we have to give the youth him flowers, bro. We have to give the youth him flowers. The youth do it. So for all of the naysayers, for all of the people who want that doubt, see there? See there? The youth do it. The youth do it, bro. You know, take boy if you do what the youth do. Anyways, you see that piece of clip here, I have to play that piece, you know.
People, you know what say, before that, them say Alkaline can't sell out Barclays. But me realize, with Alkaline, every goalpost move. They say he could sell it out, him sell it out. See, when him sell it out, they must sell the ticket they cheap. See, then start finding excuses. Yo, him should have used bands. Yo, him should have do this. Yo, him should have do that. You know, say if I didn't get goals, he can't sell it out. Him sell it out. Now he must say, he should have used bands, he must use track. Like say, majority of the show them we keep over in the United States. A track, the artists them sing band. You understand? Most of the time a track. Is it, especially in a Barclays. You see me? A two man, what we see how the solo thing go in there. I don't know if Buju, I think them say Buju too. But the solo thing was Cartel and Alkaline. And I think Buju, I guess, them say. So, I don't know how the goalpost start move now. But I saw them always eat Alkaline, them always move the goalpost. But at the end of the day, them can't stop greatness. Them can't stop greatness. You see me? Yeah, man.
I have to play this because, bro, it's just legendary. Holy pussy them. Me still a make money and me still a fuck one bag of gal. Holy pussy them. Bumbuckly was, yo, I'll pull up, you know. I'll pull up, yo, that intro you too bad. I kill, yo, bro. I kill, big up yourself, bro. Remember say, me did whole a reason, you know. Remember say, me did sit down a whole a decent reason, you know, bro. You see me? And people, if you never watch the reason, just search my channel, man. Me I kill, sit down and I kill, chat a bag of things, bro. As in, AG, let me know the whole history with him and Alkaline from day one.
Yeah, man, a real thing, man. Yo, that song there, see me? That song there have a line in it where say, how we do it, them a wonder how we do it. Where them a go do now? So at that moment at Barclays, people, I say, yo, how him sell out Barclays? But we're not gonna do now. Cause the youth sell out Barclays. So that song there and that intro there with Mike Eichel Marvelous being there is a statement. You understand? Because that song is a statement song that the naysayer, the one them we are eat and all of them sitting there and I say, yo, I can't do this, I can't do that. That song was made for that. You see me? So yeah man, that intro yeah, Eichel Marvelous, it tough. You see me? It tough people. Trust me. It was a joy, man. It was a joy.
Understand? Yeah, man. You can check that out, bro. You understand me? I say so, bro. It's a joy to see this live. You see Alkaline and Eichel, as in Eichel forward out and intro the song live past stage in living colors, bro. Legendary. Eichel, big up yourself. Remember, you know, they could have got some bomb and play the record, you know, as in the actual song, you know. But no, you look at the G, got some bomb and reach out here and say, yo, here, you know, year time now, you know, a year run now, you know, Eichel, a year time now, you know. Eichel, me like what go on, you know. Drunk crowd. Talk to them. Well, alright. We still have make money and we still have fuck one bag of girl. Only pussy them. Only pussy them. Only pussy them.
Them I wonder when we do it, when them I go to know, yo, that song there, tough. Yo, that show ya, it sell off. It sell off. The haters them I got talk, them go and talk. Them been talking for 13 years now. It's just a bag of chatting. You understand? But them can't stop greatness. Remember me tell you that. Them can't stop. That song there, tough. My Alkaline never do a better thing, man. I tell you, because getting Eichel Marvelous intro that song there at that moment, sell off. You understand? Sell off. Yo, man, I say arena shake up. You see me?
You refresh the times I've been through it. Where them I go to know me, I no bumbo rascal.
Tough. Remember me tell you that.
Bad. People, the performance, the you go on with himself. Alkaline did what Alkaline always do. Remember, you know, Alkaline, I go perform how Alkaline performs. You understand? If we now look for some high energy performance, like from starting to end, you're not gonna get that from Alkaline. Like, him have him time when he goes up bam, and he just, I don't know, like, his spirit just tell him, say, yo, just run off. You understand? Just jump. Yeah. Alkaline does what Alkaline does. You understand me? I say, so guess what now? Me know say people are gonna say, want to the bands, this and that, and want to this, want to that. People, me tell them something. And I see him where they say, yo, cartel for use bands, cartel are cheating fans them. You get me? I say, me don't know if this is a talking point yet on the media, you know, because I haven't really scrubbed the media like that yet. Yeah.
Yes, it's a talking point on the media. They must say Alkaline and bands and thing. The difference between Cartel and the Alkaline when it comes to the bands thing, from Cartel release and prison, him no perform with bands, none at all. Even when him go Sunfest, no bands. Alkaline always do bands. Even him last New Rules in a Trelawney, that was bands. You understand? Him do bands. Is it? So Cartel no do none. So that's why most of the time people must say, yo, Cartel you need to do bands and all of them like a thing there. You see me? Yeah, but Alkaline always do bands. So if him not do bands at Barclays, that's not nothing, because most of the show them are keeping at Barclays. Like, I think, yeah, no bands not there. The last time Bounty do Barclays, all of the artists them were do Barclays, I think last year, right? Keep it on them, the whole of the man them. Me not think them do. Them never do no bands. You understand? They never do no bands. So I don't know what the problem now them at. But you don't know them not like Alkaline, so them are going to try and move the goalpost through the youth sold out the arena. They might try to find some excuse. You see me? I just see haters that. They must find something for piggyback pan. You understand?
As I know over YouTube I go, and when I open Instagram, I see the clip. Win for them clip. You understand? Over where you name OFA YouTube channel, I say that's something upon. You get me? I say so after that I watch. But I know you have people over there say, yo, where the bands there? With this there. The same thing they do with Cartel. But the man is comfortable performing with his tracks. With him redeem them. You understand me? I say, so guess what? Me personally, not like the fact say Alkaline use tracks and he must sing over the tracks them. Me not like the fact say him do that. Because that is some American thing, some rap thing, some R&B thing, hip-hop style them there. You see me? And I really might think that, because guess what? Me been telling the people, me never grew up in that era there.
But Chris Genius, most of the artists, some of the artists them do that, bro. You understand? Some of the artists them do that, fam. You see it? I remember say, yo, this one arena thing and you see me? Yeah, like, come on. Alkaline are always a perform from bands. You see it? So I don't know when look Cartel do back to back and then him do a next third show in a Barclays. Me never hear brother, come on, like three time him not use no bands. Him not use no bands. So I don't know how this bands thing forward up. Cause when Alkaline use bands, me not hear nobody say none. Them not say none. You understand? Alright. Oh last year, you see all like funny people? Oh last year when Alkaline na Barclays with Shensia them and the whole of the people them. And him never use no track. Oh, nobody never say why him never use bands. See how them people are hypocrite, them are hypocrite. I just show them bad mind the youth solo the arena now, them ask about bands. Cause when him the inner the last one, nobody never that talk about no bands. Cause them time the Vendetta people and walk up and bounty killer. You understand? But you don't know them are Alkaline in a youth. Alkaline that you know. Yes, they are gonna have things to say. Haters. I just saw it said. You see me? That's something we're used to.
Ever grew up in that era the way the artists them are sing over tracks. You get me? I say, remember, you know, when Cartel just started do back him shows, them and do that, you know. We come out and we say, yo, no, stop that. And then after we can see which part him start use the instrumentals them straight. You get me? People, as me say, me never born in that era the way the artists them dancehall and the reggae artists them are sing over.
When him say instrument straight, I don't know if Cartel perform with a band, so I don't know what I mean by that.
The tracks them. And normally instrumentals are TV tracks. You get me? I say, if you know, you know. So the new thing that the new wave with the artist, with the dancehall artists, them sing over the tracks.
No, bro. The instrumental, the tracks thing, brother. Cartel do the same thing, fam. You see me? The same thing him do, brother. If you pull up Cartel video, them same thing the song. I remember say, some of the time Cartel Vice, the 200, and you hear the song them are playing at the background. Him can't sing out the song them, brother. You understand? And for sure, your Alkaline show, right? The youth, I think him almost perform for like 2 hours. Can him take a little break. But if you see the youth, do what him do, people. You see me? Him dominate, him do what him can do. You see it? Yeah, him do what him can do, people. You see it? Because there are a lot of performance with the youth do good and every little thing. But you don't know, you see through everybody I look within the show, yeah, and through them know you sell out Barclays, they might go find some fall if you put towards the show if you say, yo, this not do good and this do. You understand?
It's not my thing.
Yeah, man, is it?
And the main reason why I'm not so hyped. I'm not so hyped for pick up myself and go lose a night's rest, bro, for something what I know. So I'm not go to fully 100% enjoy. I know I'm not that old. I'm a 90s youth. You understand what I say? But the youth do him thing what work for him and him fans then love it. The people them spend their money and the people them got their money's worth. Because the people them know say yo Alkaline alone upon the flyer. So they now go there. If you go expect to see any other artist. Because Alkaline alone depend on the flyer. Alkaline alone sold this show. Because I see which part Cranium forward out and Cranium doing thing. Cranium sing him songs them and him doing thing, him get him forward and him doing thing. You understand? But me know say the fans them never really wanted that. You get me?
Yeah, man. Brother, remember say Vendetta is a movement, you know, bro. So, yo, people are Alkaline them want to see. You see me, Cranium do a good performance. You see me, it's just him come do him thing, but on a really him can remember if I get go Alkaline face alone and you see me? Yeah. So when him see Cranium is just a little plus. You see me? Him just a plus to the show, you know. Don't know feature because I think him Alkaline do a feature and thing. And it go on good people, it go on good, but the people I'm really far off who come to the Vendetta youth. You see it and him do him thing, him dominate and you see me? Yeah man, cause more while you have all there show if you kind of experience and see what I go on. Because sometimes social media thing kind of corrupt. You understand? Yeah, man. The thing kind of corrupt people. Is it? I tell you.
After Cranium now, we see like a marching band from in Brooklyn, I think. Yeah, forward out and do them thing, bro. But I lie you, that the part of the show there. That the part of the show there for me, nope. That part of the show there just that could have stayed. Like really and truly, the part of the show there could have stayed. It never needed. It never added anything at all to the show. More than likely, it more of a take away. It never added anything at all to the show. It more of a take away than anything. But shortly after that, Alkaline goes up bam and in
Alright, the bands thing now. You see, it's just, you know, you don't know it with the Barclays Center there and you know, them just see that try highlight the bands and every little thing, you see me. Maybe there's a cultural thing. You see. But we understand, you see me, like dancehall thing and, you know, the bands thing, like, you know, the people them for see Alkaline and thing, you know. So, like, you have some of the fans them who kind of say, oh, Jano, I'll come see, you know, very. Especially if the people them will live in Brooklyn and know the bands and all them thing there. You see me? Yeah, because I think when they play, some people did it. But, you know, it nice. Like, people look on the bands and watch them. Like, you know, it just give them a attraction for just look on the bands and, you know, them a beat the drum and everything. You see me? I watch what I go on. You see it? But I say it go. You see me? In a life and everything perfect. But the show is a very successful show. Same way. You see it? Yeah. That is just, it's like, what I call it? It's like either have a Super Bowl halftime thing. And you see, you know, look a drumline thing. Yeah, just that. You see me? Like I look a break and, you know? Yeah, people. You see me?
Changing clothes, in changing suit, and jump out back with 2 pole on stage, and I sing a song. What the song name? Ride on Me, yeah. And I sang then jump back out with 2 girl on pole. No, don't know anything. So the suit I come back out in here.
Me laughing back, yo. Yeah, man, this song tough, man. Yo, I tell you, say, boss have some beats, the people. Me, I tell them, I don't know where this man is shop. You know, so I feel like say Alkaline now, like him have one place where do designer clothes specifically for him. Yeah, man. Me don't know. Them man shop some place, me I tell people, I don't know, normal. Yeah, man, if you big up the artist, we always a show. You see me, designer things and, you know, yeah, I make a Vendetta girl them mad out. You see it. But listen what I want, people.
Bad, big tune.
If you ask me on the chain, I don't like that. No. Yo, that song there. Yo, when that song there, they drop in the people. Yo, that ring in the ears, you know. I don't know, normal, man. Me I tell you, people. Me I tell you that song there tough. Yo, like anytime Alka drop that song there, the girl, people are sing it right. Oh, they know line for every line. Me I tell you, people. You understand? Yeah, man.
If you ask me, get a change, and I do like that. And I do like that. No. Have some faith in me no grow like that. Oh, one thing with Alkaline.
Yo, look at a legend make Chris Genius a sing out to bombard people, man. Tell you that. You see in that life, you can't stop greatness, you know, you can't stop good music, man. Tell you that, people. Yeah, man. That song there, it's tough. Man, tell you that. But Chris Genius a sing out that, Jaja.
You know. One thing with Alkaline, nah le 14 brata, you know. Alkaline nah le 14 brata song. Hey man, nah le 14 brata song, but then again, he done forward out and double down on the brata business. You understand? So that's why they call him the brata boss, because he forward out and double down.
But Chris Genius, how that Jappy, how the brata thing? When not even know, brother, the man not sing nothing about no brata. I don't know brata thing Jappy in this still. You see me? I don't know where you get. I guess brata did up on your mind, but I don't know what Alkaline do for you say about brata. You see me? Yeah, man. I don't know what you mean by this, dog. You see, because I don't know that drop in. Is it?
It means you are that in love brata business. So after the performance done now, and to top it off, pre this.
You had a good time tonight? So I go by the name of Kevin C. Riley. I'm a New York City Council member from the Bronx, New York. Did y'all enjoy Alkaline tonight? Is the Bronx in here tonight? Is Brooklyn here tonight? Is Queens here tonight? Is Manhattan here tonight? You know, Staten Island. But is Jamaica here tonight?
We have the key for the city.
So on behalf of the New York City Council and my brother Assembly Member Brian Cunningham, we wanted to honor our brother Alkaline tonight with a New York City Council proclamation. But also, we want to give my brother a proclamation from the New York State Assembly, but also the key to Flatbush, y'all.
Big up the Vendetta boss, you see me? Big up the Vendetta boss and big up him team. You don't know, Kerry and the whole family, you see me? Yeah, man, respect the support for you. You know, did it for your brother over the years and things, is it? Yeah, man, it's a good look. Key Flatbush. Yo, dog, the youth just had to be a great things, dog. No matter the fight and the hate and all that, you see me? Yeah, man.
We got Ayomi from Brian Cunningham's office. Ayomi,
and the New York State Assembly, we present the key and the proclamation to Alkaline. This key will open everything and lavish the Congratulations.
Respect. You know, see, I got the key for this.
Yo, people. That's why I'm tell you, say Alkaline a real prophet, you know. Remember when the man dropped, I went City drop around 2016, 2015, so. Seeing, and last year the man dropped key, man. And see the man go get a real key in your hand. For sure, yo. Man have a key for his city. The same song where man sing years ago, people. And see, man, see there? The man have a key for his city for real. Like, you a real prophet. Me I tell you. Yeah, man, have to big up your artist as well. You see me? I remember people, remember same album out, so go support it, buy it, stream it, everything. No pussy test it name. Yeah, man. You see me? But you do great things and the people must see what go on and I congrat him and I give him the keys and all them good thing there. You see me? Yeah, man. They must see what go on for Alco young youth to sell out Barclays by himself. No, man, that youth ain't normal then. You see me?
Thank you, people. Have a good night.
Yeah, so Alkaline was presented with the key of Flatbush, New York. Big up yourself. And also, before we end the video, he was also presented with a plaque. Pre this.
You come with the light? I ran out of room fast.
Sold out. Yeah, man, sold out.
Yeah, man, sold out. So all who never want Alkaline sell out the Barclays Center. See there? Sold out, and just say a while ago. Yeah, man, I have to big up the whole team. Kerry, you see me? Alkaline, the whole of them, the whole team, the whole Vendetta family. You see me? Yeah, man, I'm put it in the work, man. You see it? I'm gonna put it in the work. The basket in Barclays sold out plaque. You understand? Yeah, man, big up to the artist, man. Great moves. You see it?
So he was presented with a sold out plaque that looked like a one cake or something. Yeah, you understand? So big up yourself. Good look. People, want to use of the comment section?
People, big up on yourself, you know. I don't know, one media facts pan it up. That is it.